Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well as always. Long time no see. I know it has been a good minute since I have posted a long form video, but I was working on a few nail art projects that I really wanted to get out. So if you haven't seen those, I have uploaded them on my shorts. So definitely check them out and let me know what you think. But for this video, I did go ahead and apply my Gel X tips. I just put some peel off base coat on my natural nail bed and then applied the Gel X tips with this base coat because this is just going to be a temporary set. And if you haven't seen my new swatching video for the Born Pretty polishes, these are the beautiful colors that Born Pretty was kind enough to send me to give them a try. And I love these colors so much, you guys. They are very pearly, very mermaid, summery, and I'm really wanting to get these summer looks out. I just have a few more, not necessarily like summer looks, but before really getting into fall nails, I wanted to get a few other designs out. And I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 coats of this base color. This is literally one of my favorite go-to base colors. And of course, I will be putting all the products that I use in this video in the description box. So after I apply 2 coats of the gel polish, I am going to be applying one thin layer of this matte top coat because as you guys know, or if you are new here, anytime I do nail art, I really like putting down a layer of matte top coat. It just makes the designs go on a little bit more smoother, and I actually am going to leave the base color matte for this design. So I'm going to apply this and then cure for about 60 seconds. So I couldn't decide on which color I wanted to use in particular for this little beachy set. So I just decided to pick my favorite 5 and just put each of the colors on the nails. I'm really indecisive when it comes to like picking one color. I just feel like they're so pretty and summer is fun with a bunch of colors. So I just kind of went for it here. So I'm going to put a blob of each of the colors on the little nail art piece of glass. I guess it's not really a nail art palette, it's literally just a little piece of glass that I have. And look at this cute little cup that I found at World Market. I'm really trying to get into the spooky season, so I just thought it was really pretty. So I'm just gonna fill that with alcohol to clean my brush in between each of the colors. And majority of this video is just nail art, so I won't try to talk your guys' heads off. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply each of these colors to my nails, and I'm going to put 2 coats of each of the colors, curing for about 60 seconds in between each color, and then we're going to add some 3D lines to make, I don't know, like seashells, but then I'm thinking like mermaid tails. I don't know. I just thought this was really cute, you guys, so I hope you enjoy this little nail art portion. So here is where we are at after two coats of each of these colors. These are so pretty. I could probably actually use these for like some really pretty Halloween nails. Like if you want to use them as like a little topper for a black nail polish, I think that would be really pretty too. But like I said earlier in the video, I am going to be keeping the base color matte, but because we are going to be applying some rhinestone glue for like our little 3D nails, I am just going to top coat the color portion of the nail just to make sure it has that sparkle once I apply the rhinestone glue. Moving on to our little 3D lines, I am just going to apply some of this rhinestone glue with a thin liner brush. And when you do your little 3D lines, just make sure that you are flash curing in between each line. That way it just ensures that it keeps its shape. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to each of the nails and flash cure in between each line. Then when I'm done with it, I am going to fully cure it underneath the UV lamp and then add some cute little rhinestones before we apply our cuticle oil. And here is our final look. These are so beautiful, you guys. I almost wish I would have made this my set for the week. Such pretty colors and really easy, especially if you don't have a lot of time to do your nails. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you would like to see next. I appreciate your all support as always, and I will see you in the next one.